A blizzard warning is in effect for our area. Currently, the temperature is 18 degrees with heavy snow and windy conditions. Here's our local Doppler radar. Overnight, blizzard conditions, low 13. Winds northeast at 25 to 35 miles per hour. 5 to 8 inches of snow expected. Winds could occasionally gust over 50 miles per hour. On Thursday, windy with morning snow, high 16. Winds north at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Chance of snow 90%. Snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches. And Thursday night, partly cloudy, very cold, low minus 12. Winds northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Our 7-day outlook.